Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ki sangma ula ong ba ka Jingpyrkhat Tang ki Skhim ka de ka Jingkhim Jingmut bat bunsian haba perkhat tang ban sam Skhim ne perkhat tang ka Skhim kram sngau tho ya ka Jingmut bat ka thong kalawan ra pan ban ya ka Jingjon ya ka ni ula kran ha ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jubilee Ksiar ka Meghalaya Board of School Education ha ka khat khnai tarik risau arja ar pholai hatura ha ka ba Menteri Rangba Kajala Conrad ki sangma ula longkum ukongsan Conrad ula ong baki samla ke de ka spa ka ba kraw tam jong ka jala bat ka sarkar ka kot Jingmut ban penan kam ha ka rukom ka ba biang tam yaki ha ka ni ka sni pen kot ladan lang menteri ka tanat pule puthi ka jala urakam e sangma chief secretary ba Donald Philip walang nolor ki weipan ka examine baningkong jong ka embos ka de ha usnam shejar khnai spa nyu phosau bat kumba lai hajar praspa ki bayale bat shaka prapho hajar menta usnam kan thup jong ka matric bat ka class 12
Chairman, kalau kita sekarang juga awak pelak officer aku mencela kata sekarang, ya atmosfer ko, ya climate ko, environment ko, create ka ni keman. Baik ni keman, emboss ni bersus buah mang sing celebrate kai kita, berat sini, the drum itu sok kali ko, asal di keman itu sok kali ko, asal set itu sok kali ka cerita alo, celebrate kana kata comota, aron yang comota area celebration bak comota. Di mana country? Nampak kita celebration ko nagana jatna songna state na sarkar na nampak kita celebration ko na yan asin de drama nampak kita state ko education ko na yan bidak na yan sini mong sogap ka mo gen na ada lo natan maksa asin ni kacham ng gabarang yan may kala board of school aro education ko sona hira mukta na bate gamchat de ba gamchang ko Acha song ni drone na megala dok ni drone sa kantina ya gamzen ko ni songe do nangha Luar pera acha song ni megala dok ni krep na sima acha sa kantian skiga ba sa kantian de drone sa kantian ya dok ni to de ba megala dok ni krorok ma ha ya ku wear ya megala dok ko black batat na magskambak na nambat kam ko kay nambat ko pa education ko dancing Skhim na aro retire government professor ayah super sama kalau pakai kuenya si mama bapa alo retire maha na semua kita jat ni tak keluar ni na cep si keluar ni na dia kalau ada cep rasa tu semua ni apa sekarang bos terang ni semua nak game semua sekarang ni yang orang stay kuat apa ya education second part dua na semua ni kam cot dia belah ni ko on pak kucing ada alo on mall dalam dasar Doko bay son patichina, megala dokang bangchina, sakal tikon mutela, jai hind.
50 years is a very, very long time. And to hear the different achievements that MBOS has achieved in the last 50 years, through many challenges and many difficulties, to see it come out and overcome those challenges is something that is really inspiring. Tribute and remembrance to those leaders who had the vision to bring out different policies when the state was just born. With the kind of challenges they faced during those times, I can't even imagine them. And having to make tough decisions with limited resources, we owe it to them. And every single citizen of the state, on this particular day, when we celebrate 50 years of the Meghalaya Board of Education, we must pay tribute and remember those leaders who have contributed and made MBOS what it was. To ensure that we keep these youngsters right at the center of what we are trying to do for our state. It's not about building the school. It's not just about different schemes that we have. Sometimes governments focus too much on scheme-based governance. Scheme-based governance is a very, very narrow way of looking at things. Because when you look at a scheme, you only want to implement the scheme and you don't understand what the purpose of implementing the scheme is. And that is a disaster, or that is not achieving the goal which we are here to achieve. We keep the eye on the ball. We keep the youth in front of us. We are here with a purpose to shape our youth. We shape them in the right direction. We take them in the right direction. We nurture them. We make them productive. We make them God-fearing. We make them patriotic. We make them committed, disciplined, nationalist. That is what we are here to do. Not just simply to implement a scheme or a program or construct a building. I urge MBOs and all the other officials and everyone who's out here, let us work with a sense of purpose and mission. Let us realize what we are here to do. I know it's not easy. A lot of challenges. Our Honorable Minister mentioned that we want to be in the top 10 states in the country. A very, very, very steep target. I'll tell you, very difficult. To the extent that some people even laugh at me and joke about it and tell me, what is this guy trying to do? But let me tell you, that doesn't shake me at all. I'm least bothered by the noise that is made by people who just know how to talk and don't know what we are trying to do out here. I'm sorry to say. These small minds who will talk and not understand what we're trying to do, not dare to dream the way we dare, I have no words to them. In 2019, Meghalaya was at the bottom for vaccination. Almost 60% of our children were not vaccinated. I told the health department, well, we will become in the top 5. Some of the officers actually were shocked, saying that how do we do it? Well, I said, keep the eye on the ball. Keep monitoring, keep pushing, keep reviewing. In 3 years' time, from being at the bottom in the vaccination in the country, Meghalaya today is number 2 in the country today in vaccination. We have 0.75% houses connected with water, tap water. When the first review took place of Jal Jeevan Mission, Meghalaya was not even on the stage, on the ground or below the ground, I should say. People were laughing at Meghalaya. 0.75% houses had water through tap. Only 4,500 houses in the whole state had tap water. I told the minister, sir, in 3 years we will try to ensure that we become number 1. Again, officers, some of them, and many, many people in the public made fun and laughed. In 3 years' time, we have crossed 60% and we are one of the best performing states in terms of the Jal Jeevan Mission and the only state that has received the bonus for 3 consecutive years. This is what willpower can do. This is what determination can do. This is what focus can do. And hence today, I know a lot of people will talk, saying that yes, MBO's 50 years has gone and we are struggling. Yes, we are struggling. But let that struggle not bring you down or demotivate